Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make dill pickle dip. This is like a cold dip. It's perfect for potato chips. It's absolutely delicious. It's a great recipe for an appetizer, and it's super easy to make, and the ingredients are relatively simple, and it's probably kind of stuff that you're going to have on hand anyways. I kind of feel like most people have sour cream and cream cheese in their pantry. They probably already have some dill pickles. So that's like 3 of the ingredients. There's some spices. The only thing that is a little bit special is if you can get fresh herbs. I would really recommend using fresh herbs for this. But other than that, the ingredients are all really simple. So it's sour cream, cream cheese, chopped dill pickles, a little bit of that pickle juice that comes from the jar, fresh dill and fresh chives. I didn't have fresh chives, so I used dried. You can use dried dill as well. And then some salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and you just mix it up, and then we're going to put some chips on top. And you don't have to use dill pickle flavored chips. I just wanted it extra dilly. You could use plain chips. I bet salt and vinegar would be really good. Anyways, so you just mix that up and then put it in a dish, and it's ready to eat. And you can serve it with pita chips. You could serve it with some like nice crusty bread. You could serve it with like a Ruffles style chip, like something with some ridges. But it's so easy to make. It took me seriously probably 10 minutes to put this together this morning. So now I'm just taking these chips and I'm just crushing them up, and I'm going to mix them with a little bit of butter. You don't have to mix them with the butter. If you want them extra crispy, I wouldn't. And then I'm going to sprinkle this on top. But this was so easy to make, and it's delicious. And it's just truly like the perfect appetizer to take to a party, especially with, some big football games coming up in the future in the next couple of weeks. This is a great dip to take if you're invited to a Super Bowl party. And now I am scooping it out into my little dish, my little Staub dish. I love this dish, but the handle broke off. And I don't know when or where the handle broke off, but it's so upsetting. But I will continue to use it because the dish is fine. It still works. It's just missing one handle. Staub, if you're watching this, I would love a new one. It's a little tiny dish, and I love it. It's the perfect size for a dip like this. Anyways, so yeah, but this is so easy. It's absolutely delicious. If you want to see more, be sure to check out loavesandishes.net. And if you want to see the full recipe, you can find it there and in the caption. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.